Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to crochet the volcano stitch. I think it's called the volcano stitch because these kind of look like the mountains and the puff stitches on top are kind of like the smoke billowing on top. Do you see it too? Let me know down in the comments below if you do. This pattern is super simple to make. We only need to use the single stitch, double crochet, puff stitches, and treble crochets. So for this tutorial, I'll be using lightweight 3 yarn with a 4mm hook. This pattern is done in multiples of 4, so for this tutorial, I will be making a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To begin the first row, I'm going to chain up 1. And I will be placing a single crochet all the way down to the very end. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I prefer to go through the back bump of the chain, but if you want to go through the front, then that's okay. I will be placing a single crochet in all of the 12 stitches in my foundation chain. Now that I've placed a single crochet all the way down to the end of my chain, I will begin to chain up 4 for the next row. 4. I'm going to turn my work around and into the 5th chain from my hook, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I will be placing a double crochet and I will only be working into the back bumps. So I'm going to prepare for a double crochet. And I'm going to pull through 2 and I'm going to stop there. I will yarn over again and enter the second back loop and start a double crochet. Again, I'm going to yarn over, enter the 3rd back loop, pull through, and yarn through 2. Now that I have 4 loops on my hook, I'm going to yarn over and pull through 3, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through the last 2. So now to create the puff stitch that looks like the smoke in the volcano, we will be placing a puff stitch into the post of these 3 double crochets that we made together. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to insert right here and pull up a loop. I'm going to be pulling up a total of 4 loops, so I'm going to yarn over again, insert this space, pull up 2, yarn over, insert, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, pull up 4. Now that I have all these loops on my hook, I'm going to yarn over and pull through all of them. And I have made my first volcano. To start the second one, we will be doing 3 double crochets together again. So I'm going to yarn over and prepare. And I will be entering the 3rd chain that we used in our first volcano. So that will be our first double crochet chain for this next set. So enter into that 3rd and last one from the last set and start a double crochet. Don't finish it, yarn over, enter the one next to it and pull through, yarn over 2, yarn over and go into the 3rd one, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now that I have 4 loops on my hook, again I'm going to yarn over and pull through 3 and yarn over and pull through the last 2. Again, I will be placing a puff stitch into the post of these 3 double crochets that we made. So I'm going to yarn over, enter the space between the 2 volcanoes right here and pull up 1, yarn over, insert, pull up 2, yarn over, insert, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, and pull up 4 loops. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all the loops, and my second volcano is complete. I'm going to continue to repeat these 3 double crochets together until I reach the end of the row. yarn over, go into the space between the two mountains, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up another loop, yarn over, pull up a third loop, yarn over and pull up a fourth loop, yarn over and pull through all those loops. Now that I've gone all the way across and made my volcanoes, I have one stitch left in the row. So I will be placing a treble crochet there to end this row. So yarn over twice. Again, enter only into the back loop of the last chain. Pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two to complete your treble crochet. To begin row 3, chain up 1, and we will be placing a single crochet all the way across the previous row. If you flip your work and look at it from the top, you will see all those chains that we will need to put a single crochet in. So after chaining up 1, place your first single crochet in that chain space. Place another single crochet on top of the puff stitch, again into that chain space, into the puff stitch, single crochet in the chain space, and 1 into the puff stitch, and continue this until you get all the way to the end of the row. Now that I've reached the last chain space, I will actually be putting 2 single crochets into the last chain space. So 1 and 2. To begin row 4, chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will flip your work. You will now be completing your 3 double crochets together to make the mountain, but instead of going into the 5th chain like we did in this first set, we will be going into the 6th chain because we need to skip that last single crochet that we made in that chain space from the previous row. So count 6 chains from your hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And into that 6th chain, again, I will be going into the back loop and placing a double crochet. I will not finish that double crochet because I will yarn over again and go into the second one and start a double crochet. Yarn over, go into the third one, pull through 2. So now that you have 4 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through 3, and yarn over, pull through 2. Again, create the puff stitch by placing 4 loops into the post of those 3 double crochets that we made, and you're going to pull through all. You're going to continue this again. Don't forget to always start your first double crochet of your next mountain into the 3rd double crochet chain of the first mountain. One, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, go into that 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3, pull through 3, pull through 2, and place your puff stitch between the 2 mountains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and yarn over and pull through all. Now that you've completed your row of volcanoes, you're going to end the row by placing a treble crochet into the chain space from the row below. So you're going to yarn over twice and enter this chain space from the previous row and complete your treble crochet. And that completes row 4. To continue this pattern, just continue repeating from row 3. And then after row 3, you will repeat row 4 and row 3 and row 4 and row 3 and row 4 and so on. If you like this pattern, please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.